Hey, what's up, y'all? It is a Friday night. Tomorrow I am going to South Texas to try to knock out 8 or 10 Tour of Texas stops. Get those marked off my list because it ends next weekend. Originally, I was planning on doing this the weekend of Twisted in Texas, or Twisted in Texas 2, which is put on by Bogey Biker and Kelly B Gliding. I was going to go down for that, and then while I was down there, I was going to knock out these Tour of Texas stops. Well, the Friday morning that I was going to leave, I woke up about 3 o'clock with a tummy ache and got sick and didn't make it. So I apologize, Jack and Kelly, for not making it. So we'll put you on the schedule for next year. Anyway, so tomorrow I'm going to South Texas to do this. When I went down for the AMA races at the Coda track down in Austin, knowing that I was going to get to ride several laps on the racetrack down there, I gave my bike a performance tune. So what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to get my Dynojet 4 and do a flash tune to change it from a performance tune to a tune that's going to get better gas mileage. So anyway, that's what we're going to do. Okay, I've got my Power Vision 4 and the pigtail, which is, this particular pigtail is for Harley Davidson. The connector on the bike is underneath the left side cover. It's this gray one with the black cap on it. So I'll remove the cap. And the pigtail for Harley Davidson's will plug into that right there. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is open the app and turn on the vehicle. Connecting. Okay, it's got my bike info there. So I guess my firmware is up to date. Okay, the blue light's on, green's flashing, so we're good. All right, I'm going to press scan to connect the app to the Power Vision 4. Okay, we're connected. Okay, so let's go to tunes. All right. Economy. Okay, the 103, that's, see, I think that's what I'm going to do, because that's 91 to 93 octane, 87 to 89 octane. Yeah, the tune I have on there now is performance running 91 to 93 octane gas. I'm going to check some of these other tunes to make sure. That's performance. Monster ovals. Manson Hines, I don't have those anymore. Bassani Rush. S&S. Hooker Rush. Let's go back up here to this one. Reinhardt. 2 into 1, nope. Economy, 91 to 93 octane. That's the one I'm going to do right there. So let's download that one. For the 103, which is what this one is. Economy. Flash tune. Battery must be fully charged. It is. Would you like to flash? Yes. Do not turn off your vehicle, unplug device, or disconnect your phone while flashing tune. I don't know if you can see, but the green and the red's flashing, which means it's flashing the tune now. So like I said earlier, I had a performance tune on it because I was going to be riding on the racetrack down in Austin, the Formula One COTA track down in Austin before the King of the Baggers race. And I'm just switching it from a performance tune to an economy tune for better gas mileage. And it's a economy tune running 91 to 93 octane fuel. So I should see an improvement on my gas mileage since I've had the performance tune on there. There we go. And what I really like about this flash tuner from your phone is you don't have to have a laptop or a desktop computer to do an ECM tune on your bike. Flash complete. All right. Simple. Flash completed. Please turn your key off for at least 10 seconds to reset the ECU. 1007, 1008, 1009, and 10. We should be good to go. Let's turn it back on. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. We're flashing green, the blue light's on, we're good to go. That's all there is to it. Like I say, to do a Dynojet tune on your bike with this particular tuner and app, it can be done from an iPhone, and a desktop or a laptop is not needed. I literally gave my motorcycle a Dynojet flash tune in a matter of about 5 minutes. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'll give you some more information on this too if you're interested. I could leave this connected and the tuner under my seat, and it'll run diagnostics while I'm riding it, and then I can send those in to have a custom tune written for this motorcycle, inputting the data that had recorded by leaving it connected to the bike. Which I am going to do that, I'm just not going to do it now. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect and give it a start. So let me get this disconnected. And there's a diagnostic tool. You can, if you have a trouble code, you can use this to erase your trouble codes. So I am going to disconnect. There we go. So let me put this in neutral. We'll start the bike up and see how she runs. Hopefully it runs. All right, we're in neutral. Up and go, but we'll see what this does. Adios.